So last year, I mounted the Bolex H16 film camera in a Movi M5 and flew it on the FreeFlight Alta. 12 about. That's 11. Let's overexpose it just a little bit. There's a link to that footage in the video description. This video is kind of a sequel to that one, and I'm showing some BTS stuff from another 16mm film I made for a cinematography class project. There's also a link to it in the video description, but it's basically about a paper airplane. The first few shots were of a guy biking, and to do those, I had the Bolex on the Movi with the CVI underslung car mount system. As you can see, the footage turned out really nice. I was concerned it would be unstable because the Bolex is such a big and awkward camera to balance in a gimbal. After that, there are a bunch of handheld shots that turned out really good because the lighting was amazing and film just has so much dynamic range. Then there are a few handheld gimbal shots. I had a small FPV camera mounted to the Bolex to aim it, and I was viewing that video through a little FPV receiver screen mounted to the Movi handle. There are also some aerial shots that are supposed to be from the POV of the paper airplane. I was initially going to do those with the Alta and the Bolex, but that looked too smooth to be from a paper airplane, so I ended up shooting it handheld from my paraglider. I shot this stuff with a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera in RAW because I'm able to color grade it to look sort of like the 16mm film. And paragliding with a Bolex would have been really hard. I only had 3 rolls of film for this project, and each roll is about a minute. The narrative story didn't take all the film, so I decided to do some drone shots to finish off the rolls. Here, it was really windy, so that made the footage a bit bouncy, and it was kind of underexposed. That's some BTS from my little paper airplane film. Again, there's a link to the whole thing in the video description. Thanks for watching, bye.